Welcome to 99 Reviews with another interesting video. And today I am going to tell you some YouTube tricks which will make your YouTube use more interesting and easy. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. In YouTube, you can like a comment by double tapping on it, and you can reply a comment by tapping 3 times. Now go to Settings of YouTube, then open General section. Here you can see the first option, Take a Break. It means when you set any time limit here and turn on this toggle, YouTube will notify you to take a break from YouTube, so you will know how much YouTube you have used that day. The second option, right below it, is about bedtime. If you have set 11 p.m. as bedtime, then YouTube will notify you at 11 that it's your bedtime, you should go to bed. You can also change app language from this option. While watching a video, you can forward or backward a video of around 10 seconds, but in setting, you can change the seconds duration according to you. You can set 15, 30, or even 1 minute backward or forward skip. On YouTube, location is really important because YouTube will show you content according to your location. You can set your location from this option. My location is United States. You can change your location according to yours. So these are some tips to use YouTube more efficiently. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos.